In the digital marketing landscape of 2026, a paradigm shift has redefined the playbook for organic reach, especially on Meta's flagship platform, Facebook. While many in the industry still bemoan the so-called demise of organic exposure, the reality is subtler, hinging on a sophisticated reorientation of platform priorities. The core concept is the family and friends algorithm, an advanced evolution of Facebook's commitment to fostering meaningful social interactions, MSI, at all costs. To understand how businesses must now interact with the platform, visualize Facebook as a heavily fortified social fortress, with each user surrounded by an inner circle, their literal friends and family. The algorithm's vigilant gatekeeper function scrutinizes not only the origins of content, but, more importantly, the context and quality of ensuing engagement. No longer can business pages rely on mass reach or one-off viral boosts. Instead, strategic organic placement requires content to operate as a bridge into personal conversations, not a megaphone announcing impersonal messages. At the heart of this are MSIs, carefully weighted and scored by the algorithm. The distinction is crucial. Passive engagement, such as a like or a monosyllabic cool comment, is the digital equivalent of background noise. Facebook's machine learning models quickly disregard this, interpreting it as low-value interaction with minimal relational consequence. Instead, high-value MSI signals include long-form responses, comments exceeding 10 words, emotional storytelling, or nuanced arguments, and content that incites reciprocal, multi-turn conversations. Furthermore, when content is shared privately via Messenger, it is interpreted as a sign of profound interpersonal resonance, exponentially increasing distribution among interconnected microsocial circles. The most astute strategists adapt by deploying the human-first strategy. Here, technical execution mirrors authentic social behaviors. Rather than flooding the platform with links, which Facebook's algorithm labels as poison due to their intention to siphon attention elsewhere, tacticians share value-rich summaries directly within the post. Links, if essential, are relegated to the first comment, skirting penalization while retaining engagement within the native ecosystem. Equally potent is the deployment of the slow burn response. Instead of perfunctory acknowledgments, strategists reply to comments with open-ended questions, provocations, or requests for elaboration. This invites not only the original commenter, but also their network to re-enter and extend the thread. As conversational threads lengthen and diversify, the algorithm flags this as a community event, propelling the post into the feeds of broader friend networks. Tagging becomes a tactical invitation. When a user tags a friend, it's a peer-endorsed passport through the algorithmic gates, granting access to otherwise closed-off friend groups. In this environment, timeless competitive principles remain, yet the battlefield has changed. As a strategist, your objective is not to contend with rival brands. It is to create content that can earn its keep amongst wedding photos, baby announcements, and inside jokes. Relatability, utility, and conversational energy are the currency of 2026. Velocity of interaction, how rapidly meaningful exchanges commence post-publication, and the overall volume of high-value signals are now the pillars of return on investment. Those who master the family and friends logic no longer struggle against the algorithmic tide. Instead, they position themselves as conversation starters at the virtual family table, reaping compounding returns as the algorithm amplifies precisely what it is programmed to identify: authentic, invested human connection. In 2026, the most successful strategists are architects of dialogue, not broadcasters of noise, deftly transforming every interaction into a catalyst for organic reach.